Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a get to know me video. Now, I did one of these back in the day when I first started my channel, and it's been a while. I've grown a bit. So I thought, why not just go ahead and redo this video considering, I have new people on my channel that probably just don't know much about me. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. So let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I have about 20 questions written down. I just kind of did some basic ones and then some just random ones that I just thought of. So I'm just going to go ahead and go down my list here. So let's just get the basics out of the way. So first up, what is my name? I think most of you guys know my name, but if you don't, my name is Katie. So second question, how old am I? Which before I answer it, I kind of want you guys to comment down below how old you think I am. I just think it'd be fun to kind of see you guys guess and then me tell you guys the answer. So go ahead, comment down, how old do you think I am? Go ahead, don't be shy. I won't be offended if you think I'm way older than I really am or younger than I really am. Either way, I just think it's fun. Anyways, so did you answer? Alright, so how old am I? I am 27 years old. Yeah, that's how old I am. I don't feel 27 to be completely honest. I feel like I'm still like 19 or 20. I don't know if I really look my age or not, but I've been told I don't, but people say that a lot. So question number 3, where am I from? I was born and raised in Oklahoma, and that is still currently where I am. Number 4, what is my relationship status? I'm pretty sure a majority of you guys already know this, but if you don't, I am married. So question number 5, how long have I been married? I have been married for 7 years now. And now if you're doing the math in your head, I'm 27, 7 years, that would mean that I got married around 20, right? No, I actually got married at 19. Now, before you say, Katie, your math is way off. Well, when I got married, that was in May, and I was 19 years old, and my birthday's in July. So I turned 20 not long after I got married, but technically I got married at 19 years old. Alright, so number 6, what is my favorite food? That's a tough one because I like food in general, so I don't know. Trying to pick just one is really hard for me, so I'll give you a couple of options. I'd say my favorites are probably like pizza or sushi. I do like Asian food, so sushi is definitely one that I really, really like. So those are my favorites. Do I have any kids? No, I don't currently have any kids unless you count fur babies as kids. Then yes, I have quite a few, but no, I don't have any kids. What is my favorite movie? Again, picking favorites is really hard for me because I have a lot of favorites. So I'll just give you a couple of my favorites. Lord of the Rings is one of my favorites. Any of the Studio Ghibli movies I really, really like. Yeah, those are really the only ones that I can think of at the moment. So, favorite TV show. Again, if it has anything to do with favorites, I have several. So, favorite TV shows, I would say Pushing Daisies is a really good one. For anime, if you like anime TV shows, I really, really like Fruit Basket. That's a really good anime TV show. I've watched that several times already. New Girl is a funny one. I do enjoy New Girl. I don't know. I don't like the whole TV show. Like, I just like certain episodes that I think are really funny. So that's just a little bit of what I like. What made you get into makeup? I say I didn't get into makeup until after I got married. I didn't really wear much makeup before I got married, and then afterwards I kind of like started exploring into things that I liked. And I discovered makeup. I think it was around the time when I was like, I don't know, just trying to make myself look nice and things. And so yeah, so definitely YouTube definitely got me is what made me really dive into getting to liking makeup. I definitely watched a lot of tutorials back in the day, tried following along tutorials, so that's really what got me into makeup. Question number 11, what made you start a YouTube channel? I don't know. I think it's because when I started getting into makeup, I was watching a lot of tutorials and things, and I just thought YouTube looked like a lot of fun. So I thought, So part of it was that, and other part of it, honestly, I think at the time I was kind of going through some rough stuff in my life, and so starting a YouTube channel was kind of like my getaway or kind of like a break from life. So that's kind of what made me start a YouTube channel. All right, question number 12. Do I have any other hobbies? Yes, I have quite a few hobbies, to be completely honest. So YouTube's one of them. Then I love doing like all sorts of arts and crafts stuff. I like to crochet. I've dabbled in a little bit of painting. I like to make clay figurine, kind of, I don't know if it's called figurines, but just stuff with clay. Gardening is kind of a hobby, but I feel like, to be completely honest, I failed at that hobby. My garden's not doing so well, but it's kind of I'm learning from, it's my first time doing a garden, so I'm learning from it. So yeah, I have quite a few different hobbies. Do I have any siblings? Yes, I have 3 sisters. Question number 14, kind of like a fact that no one would know about me, as you guys would probably not know about me. You probably don't know. I don't think you guys know this, but I was an Irish dancer for many, many years. So my mom taught Irish dancing, and so naturally I learned as well and was involved in her school for many, many years. So yeah, I did Irish dancing for about 10 plus years. So yeah. All right, favorite movie genre. Again, I probably have a couple. I really like horror movies. It might be a surprise or maybe not a surprise. I do really enjoy horror movies. And I do like action movies as well. Some romances, but mostly action-based is what I like the most. All right, so number 16. How many boyfriends have I had? I've only ever had one. And that is my husband. Yeah, I've only ever had one boyfriend, and I married the first guy I ever went out with. All right, question number 17. Am I an introvert or an extrovert? I am an introvert, which, I mean, on camera I may come across more of an extrovert. I don't know, because I am doing YouTube, but honestly, I am an introvert. I don't really like going out. I wouldn't say I'm much of a talker. I mean, on camera, I can definitely talk to you guys very easily, but like in actual like social gatherings, like unless it's someone I really know very well, then I'll talk their ear off. But if I don't know them very well, I don't talk much at all. All right, so question number 18. What are my favorite bigger YouTubers? So I have about 3 that are really my favorites. I really like Kathleen Lights. I like her videos. I like, of course, Tati. Now that she's back, I've been really enjoying watching her videos. And then Kelly Strax is another one of my favorites. All right, question number 19. What is my favorite makeup brands? So, of course, one of my favorites is, of course, ColourPop's. That's really my favorite brand ever is ColourPop, but I also really like Too Faced. I know a lot of people don't like Too Faced, but I like their makeup products. I like the packaging, so it's just about the makeup for me, not necessarily about the brand. And then I like Milani for like drugstore and Wet n Wild. All right, so question number 20 is, what is my biggest fear? And I have to say, one of my biggest fears is losing a loved one. I can't think of anything that I'd be more afraid of than that. Alrighty guys, so that's going to do it for today, guys. There you go. There are 20 get to know me questions. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this. I had fun doing this type of video. Like I said, I don't do many videos like this, but I did have fun with this one. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you thought of my get to know me video. Do you guys have any other questions for me? Let me know down in the comments. I love chatting with you guys down there. And also, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel here. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!